What is FamPay? FamPay offers prepaid card payments for teenagers. Up until now, only adults, age 18 plus, could make digital payments using online or mobile banking or payments apps. With FamPay and its numberless prepaid card, minors, below 18, can successfully make online and offline payments without the need to set up a bank account. India's first prepaid card for teenagers, managed by parents. Features that parents love are: number 1, no bank account required. A prepaid account for teens, loaded by parents. Number 2, manage transactions by controlling payment limits and tracking your child's spends. Number 3, no minimum balance. Set up an account with no obligations. Number 4, no hidden fees. An account with absolutely free service. Number 5, financial literacy for kids through practical experience and in-app gamified challenges. Number 6, unmatched security. Numberless card. No chance of misuse when lost, stolen. Number 7, the safest transactions. With device lock protection for card details and payments. Number 8, block pause a card. With just a tap, whenever you want. What is FamCard Me? The FamCard Me is not just a card, it's a story. It's India's first ever card with doodles, made exclusively for teens. Aside from being super personalized, it is completely contactless with the tap and pay feature, and has a wide acceptance, thanks to the Visa network. It is also the most rewarding card for teens, with 4x rewards on every single spend and subscriptions, offers from your favorite brands. How many doodles can I use to design my FamCard Me? The answer is unlimited. You can use as many doodles and text elements as you like on your FamCard Me. Make sure you resize and position them for a look that suits you best. Where is the FamCard Me accepted? Literally everywhere. The FamCard can be used to make payments at all Visa accepted stores and merchants. From streaming services to your favorite stores, the sky is the limit. How to set up the FamCard Me? Once it arrives, once the FamCard Me reaches you, go ahead and activate it on the FamPay app by following the simple instructions that come within the packaging. Once activated, you can load your account with money and start using the card for all your payments.